In this video, we're going to take a look at A-B split testing. So if you would like to find out what A-B split testing is on Facebook ads, then this is a great video for you because I'm going to show you from start to finish what it is and how you can set it up inside your ad manager as well. So recently the Facebook ad manager layout has changed, and this has also changed the way you set up A-B split testing. But before I show you how you can do this yourself, let's explain the concept behind this and let's explain how this works. So I found this amazing article which really helps it explain neatly. Alright, so A-B testing, also known as split testing or bucket testing, is a method of comparing two versions of a web page or app or ad against each other to determine which one performs better. A-B testing is essentially an experiment where two or more variants of a page or ad are shown to users at random, and statistical analysis is used to determine which variation performs better for a given conversion goal. So basically what A-B testing is, it's a never-ending cycle, if you do it the right way, of testing specific ads and ad variants. So let's say that you've set up an ad which is the control ad, so version A. What you're going to do is set up another version. So you're going to set up version B with a different variation. Alright, so it's not going to be a completely different ad, but all you're going to do is change one variable. So maybe you're running version A against people targeted in, let's say, the US, and they're between 15 and 25 years old. What you're going to do with version B is run the exact same ad, but change maybe the demographic to 30 to 50 years old, right? So by doing that, you can test and see which ad set performs better so that you can then get better results. Now, if you keep doing that, so if you keep running version A versus version B, you can keep finding better ads, better ad demographics, and you can get like more sales, more traffic, whatever it is that you're trying to do with ads. So this graphic really shows you how it works. So before, you've got these ads, and which will give you this over here, $1,000 in sales. And then if you set up the version Bs, they will get you $4,500 in sales with the variation 1, right? So that's exactly how this works. You can test these different variations and you're going to go with the ad that performs the best. So you can check out this entire article. It's a really good article which shows you exactly how this works. But for now, after explaining how it works, let's show you how you can actually set it up yourself. So for that, you want to go into the Facebook ad manager. So like I said, the layout has changed like a few months ago. So this is what it currently looks like. Now what you can do is click on create and pretty much set up the campaign or the ad how you would normally do it. So this will be version A. This will be our control ad. So if I click on continue, I'm going to scroll down, and this is where you can enable this in the first place. So you can see A-B test. A-B test creation has changed. So right now, all you need to do is click on get started here. You then need to set up your entire ad, and you can then do the A-B split testing after you set up the ad. So I'll show you how you can do that. So simply set up the ad like you would normally do. So I'll be running this with a, let's say like a €5 daily budget. Doesn't really matter. I'm not going to run these ads. It's just for this tutorial. So just go through all of this, set up the ad. So let me click a creative. So you can change which variable you want to, you can choose which variable you want to change. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use this picture of a BMW. Now what you can do is then run that same ad, the same demographics and all of that, but change the image to see if that can give you a better result. So I'm just going to put in YouTube. Well, let's click publish. It's now publishing, right? So once you click publish, it will publish your ad, and once done, it will show you the A-B split testing. There we go. Create A-B test. So this is where you can finish setting up A-B split testing by creating a variant or selecting another campaign. So what you can do is pretty much have that campaign set up, and then click right there on variable, and this is where you can change your version B. Alright, so what split testing is all about is changing one variable to see if it performs better. So like I said, I'm going to go with image, but you can also change the ad text, so the copy, or you can change the age and gender, or even add a saved audience if you already have an audience that you run ads with. Alright, so click on image for example, Then right there, you'll see the current ad. If you then click next, we can set up version B. So you can see that this is actually correct. So we've got version A, which is our control campaign, and we're then gonna add a new variant campaign. Now we can change the image, so let's click right there. I'm just gonna change to a random image, guys, like this is no meaning or whatever. Once you've got this set up, this will become version B. So this will be the new ad that you're gonna run and test against each other to see which one performs better. Now, one thing to know is that they will actually split your budget 50-50 between test campaigns. So for example, if you're gonna spend 50 euros per day, for example, they're gonna like split it. So 25 and 25. That's one thing to keep in mind. Now you can then also determine the winner. So you can select a metric. So you can go with cost per link click, cost per 1,000 people reached, cost per purchase, and then also all of these metrics, which is a long list of all the metrics available on Facebook ads. So make sure to choose one. We'll go with CPC for now. Right? You can even add more, so you can select up to 9 additional metrics. Now once done, you want to click on create test, and it's then going to set up your test. Now you can see all results in the Facebook ad manager. So we'll just wait for this to publish. It's almost done. There we go. If you then go to the ads manager, you can see the results in here. Now we've just set up a split test, A/B split test for a campaign. You can also do this with ad sets itself. So click on duplicate, and then you can click right there, new split test campaign. And you can then set this up over here as well to run another split test on just the ad set itself or just the ads, all right? But I just show you how to do it for campaigns. For ad sets, don't do this and don't click there, but do duplicate and then click new split test campaign. All right, so that's pretty much how split testing works on Facebook. That's how you can set it up, and that's the idea behind it. So what you'll now go and do is set up version A, set up version B, change one variable to see if it performs better. If it performs better, you keep this as the winning ad. This one then becomes your A version, and you then set up a new ad, change the variable. If it performs better, you keep it. If not, change another variable and keep doing that so that you can get the best ad out there. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, please consider leaving a like. I'm not selling you guys anything. I'm not selling courses, not selling mentorship, not selling anything like that. All of this is free value for you guys. So all I'm going to ask for in return is a like on this video. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And then I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day.